How to lose stubborn belly fat. A simple 3-step plan. Struggling to shed that stubborn belly fat? You're not alone, and I'm here to help. Today I'll share a straightforward 3-step plan to tackle that belly fat for good, plus explain why it's so hard to lose and how long it might take. Let's dive in and get you on the path to a leaner, healthier you. Why belly fat is so stubborn. Belly fat can feel impossible to lose, and there's a reason for that. Compared to other areas like your arms or chest, belly fat contains more stubborn fat cells that are harder for your body to break down. It's less blood flow, which slows the process of mobilizing fat for energy. This is why you might notice your face or arms slimming down faster while your belly stays unchanged. But don't worry, losing belly fat is achievable with the right approach and consistency. How long will it take? The time it takes to lose belly fat depends on your starting point. To see significant results, you'll likely need to reduce your body fat percentage to around 10 to 15% for men, or 15 to 20% for women, at a safe fat loss rate of about 0.5 to 1 pound per week. This could take weeks or months, depending on where you start. For example, if you're at 25% body fat, it might take 10 to 20 weeks to reach your goal. If you're closer to 15%, it could be 4 to 8 weeks. Patience is key, as your body burns fat from less stubborn areas first before tackling the belly. Stick with it, and you'll get there. The 3-step plan to lose belly fat. Step 1. Create a calorie deficit. To lose fat from any part of your body, including your belly, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This is called a calorie deficit, and it's the foundation of fat loss. Here's how to start. Calculate your needs. Use an online calculator to estimate your daily calorie needs based on your age, weight, height, and activity level. Then, reduce that number by 300 to 500 calories to create a deficit. Combine with exercise. Pair your calorie deficit with regular strength training to preserve muscle and boost metabolism. Focus on full-body workouts with exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Tip: track your food intake with an app to stay consistent. And prioritize protein-rich foods to stay full and support muscle recovery. Step 2. Stay consistent to mobilize belly fat. Here's where most people give up. Because belly fat is stubborn, it takes longer to start burning compared to other areas. Your body will prioritize fat loss from places like your arms, chest, or face first. If you don't see changes in your belly after a few weeks, don't quit. Those other areas slimming down are a sign you're on the right track. Why it works. As you lose fat overall, your body fat percentage drops and blood flow to your abdominal area improves. This makes it easier for your body to start using belly fat for energy. How to stick with it. Take progress photos every 2 to 4 weeks to notice changes in your body. Even if your belly hasn't changed yet, measure your waist, track your strength gains, and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Step 3. Enhance results with targeted strategies. While a calorie deficit and consistency are the main drivers, you can add strategies to potentially speed up belly fat loss and improve results. Strengthen your core. Doing AB exercises 2 to 3 times per week can build your abdominal muscles, making them more visible even at a slightly higher body fat percentage. This can give your midsection a toned look sooner. Physiotherapy tip: focus on controlled movements to engage your core properly and avoid strain. For example, during planks, keep your spine neutral and breathe deeply to activate your diaphragm and core, which also supports posture. Incorporate low-intensity cardio. After your ab workout, try 20 to 30 minutes of low-intensity cardio like brisk walking or cycling at a steady pace. This can help burn fat as fuel, potentially targeting the belly area by increasing blood flow to the region. How it works. Exercising your abs increases blood flow to the abdominal area, which may help mobilize fat. Following up with cardio could enhance fat burning in that region, though results vary. Physiotherapy tip: low-intensity cardio is gentle on joints, making it ideal for long-term consistency, especially for those with back or knee issues. Stay active daily. Increase daily movement like taking stairs, walking during breaks, or stretching to boost your overall calorie burn and support your deficit. Putting it all together, here's how to implement the plan. Step 1. Set up a calorie deficit and strength train 3 to 5 times per week. Step 2. Stay consistent for weeks or months. tracking progress with photos, measurements, and strength gains. Step 3. Add core exercises 2 to 3 times per week and low-intensity cardio after ab workouts to enhance fat loss. Move more daily to stay active. Final tips. Track progress. Use a tape measure, progress photos, or how your clothes fit to monitor changes, as the scale alone doesn't tell the full story. Be patient. Belly fat takes time to lose, but every week of consistency gets you closer. Nutrition tip. Eat whole foods like lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats to stay satisfied and support your workouts. Mindset. Celebrate small wins, like feeling stronger or seeing definition in your arms, to stay motivated. Losing belly fat isn't quick, but it's absolutely possible with this plan. Stick with it, and you'll not only shed that stubborn fat, but also feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. For more guidance, search online for calorie calculators, workout plans, or consult a fitness professional or physiotherapist for personalized advice. Keep moving, stay consistent, and you'll see results.